sewn together my panels. The Velcro hook is already sewn on. And I sewed only one end of the cover. I'll show you. See if I get lost. I've closed one end of the cover right here. I'm going to turn it right side out. And then I'm going to insert my pad inside. Putting the pad in. And again, make sure it's right up against the seam along this edge. And butt it up against. Push your foam right to the end of the cover and tuck it up inside. Wiggle it around so a little bit so it gets up inside where you want it. Okay. There it is. I'm going to put some clips in here to hold it down because I want to sew these two together. So flip it. So you can kind of see what it's going to look like after you run the stitching through. Now for the end where it's got this shape, I'm going to lay the cardboard over top to see what the foam looks like. The foam underneath looks like this. So you've got this edge here, and then it's on the other side as well. Oops. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to incorporate that into the seam. So I'm going to take my machine and I'm going to sew all the way down, all the way around and over to here, and then I'll cut that excess out and I'll trim it with some neoprene, soft neoprene webbing to close it all up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now.